Wow, very interesting. All right. You know what? If you have right triangle just like this, then you have another right triangle inside, another right triangle. You can see three triangles, all what? That's right, similar. That means, you know what? In that case, okay, remember this picture, okay? Just remember. So that means 2 times x. Okay? In other words, just like this. Very simple, okay? Remember this one. This one times this one equals this one times this one twice. Okay? That's it. So 4 times 4 is 2 times x. Wow, then man, 2x equals 4 times 4, 16. So x equals 8. Whoa, so simple. Alright. Now, okay, what about this one then? You know what? The triangle, right triangle again, exactly the same shape, right? Now, look at this one. In this case, you can use so many different ways. Okay, but hey, one easy way, like this, area way. Okay, in that case, even elementary school kid can do this one. Okay, now, how? Area-wise, what is the area of this big triangle? 3 times 4 divided by 2, right? Okay, what about this one? See, this one right here, whole thing, this long line, that is 5, right? Because of 3, 4, 5. You can use a Pythagorean theorem to find out this length, right? Okay, 3, 4, 5. Now, that means you can get this area 2 different ways. 3 times 4 divided by 2. Or you treat this one like the base, okay, 5. Okay, 5 times x divided by 2. That means you go like this. 5 times x divided by 2 equals 3 times 4. 3 times 4 divided by 2. Whoa, that means 2, 2. You can reduce 2 away. Now, all we have to do what? X equals 12 divided by 5. That's good answer. Or you can say, 2.4. Okay? Or 2 and 2/5. Okay, that's it. Alright, now, what about this one? Pythagorean theorem, right? Okay, that's right. This is a hypotenuse. That means x plus 2 squared. Let's try. Okay, that means this one square plus this one square is, okay, so it goes like this one. X squared plus, now, x minus 2 squared equals x plus 2 squared. Whoa, very simple. Alright, let's solve this one then. Alright, x squared plus x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals x squared plus 4x plus 4. Whoa, left to right, you can reduce so many things, right? Now, how? Okay, let's reduce. Okay, deduct this one and deduct this one. Okay, now what about 4 and 4? Yes, just like that. Then I can move everything to my left hand side. That means x squared is the one, x squared. Now, negative 4x. Now, if I move this one to my left hand side, it's going to be negative again. So that means negative 8x equals 0. That means, oh man, so you can factor, right? That means x goes outside. That means x minus 8 equals 0. So x can be 0 or 8. Alright, see? Now, that means x is 8. Okay, 0, we cannot take 0 because, okay, that's nothing. Alright. So, 8. That's it. I'm sure that I did this one somewhere, but hey, let's make it simple. You know what? If you have shape just like this one must be 90 degree right there. Then, you know what? Okay, square everything. Square, 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 square. Then we add facing sides, okay? So that means x squared, okay, I'm going to make it this much, just like this. X squared plus the facing, which is 3 square, equals this one, 2 square plus 4 squared. That's it. All right. That means x squared equals, now that's 4, that's 16, that means total 20, right? 20 minus 9, which is 11. All right. So 11. So x is square root of 11, actually positive, negative, but we don't worry about negative because this is absolute value. So, hey, square root 11, that's it. All right. Also in this case, especially geometry, okay? So after you get the answers, then you have to make it like a sensible, okay? Which is you gotta use your common sense, like this one. Okay, let's say this one was 2, say 2, this is 3, this one 4, little longer, yeah, understandable. Look at this one about 2, yes, this is about 3, this is about 4, this must be, look at this one, must be less than 4, maybe a little longer than 3, yep, that's why square root 11 is about what? About 3 point some, you know what I mean? So that makes sense. What about this one then? This is 8, this is minus 2, that means this is 6. Okay, what about this one? 2 more, which is 10. Oh, makes sense. All right. 8, 6, 8, 10, which is 3, 4, 5 triangle. Fantastic. What about this one? 2, this is going to be 8. This is 4, yeah, twice. This is another twice right here. Oh, 8. All right, makes sense. 2.4. How about that? This one is a 3. So a lot of time, some people say, oh, this is like a 5 or something. Doesn't make sense because this one is a 3, see? This one is a 4. Must be, shorter than this. So about 2.4. That makes sense. 2.4.